Namaskar dear students, welcome to our English class of grade 2 unit 4. Today we are going to deal with unit 4. So try to remember what we did yesterday. Okay? Before this I want to make sure that you are ready with your needed materials for our today's class. Yes? I hope so. So let's start. First of all, let's talk about yesterday's lesson. What did we study yesterday? Can you tell me something about it? Can you tell me the yesterday's topic? Okay, very good. What did we do yesterday? What did we learn? We learned about numbers yesterday. We learned about numbers, to name the number, to count the number and different activities with number. Yes? So, I want to ask you only a question, okay? I want to ask you only a question from yesterday's topic. Are you ready for it? Okay. Then, tell me, how many fingers are there in our hands? In our only one hand is, how many fingers are there in our hands? In this hand? Can you count and tell me the number please? Okay, let's count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there in this hand? Very good. There are 5 fingers. Yes? How many fingers are there? There are 5 fingers. Okay? This is 5. Okay? This is number. This is number. Yes? Now, can you give its name? Can you write the number? Can you write the number in word? How do you write this 5 in word? Yes, yesterday you learnt it very well, so you can do it easily. Yes? Can you spell it please? Okay. F I V E 5. Very good. So you have already guessed that what we are going to learn today. Our today's topic is our today's topic should be guessed by yourself. First of all, I'll sing a rhyme. On the basis of the rhyme, you have to guess today's topic. It is from unit 4. You have already guessed. So, I'll sing a rhyme first. Then, you have to sing this rhyme along with me later. Okay? At first, listen to me very carefully and look at me. What do I do while singing the rhyme? Okay? Later, you have to sing the rhyme in the same way that I do. Okay? सुन्नुभएको छ है आज हामी युनिट 4 बाट चाहिँ स्टडी गर्दैछौँ युनिट 4 मा हामी के स्टडी गर्छौँ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ हजुरहरूले म एउटा राइम गाउँछु एउटा चाहिँ च्यान्ट गाउँछु त्यसपछि हजुरहरूले पनि मसँगै गाउनु पर्छ अनि मैले त्यो च्यान्ट गाउँदा के गर्छु हजुरहरूले पनि त्यस्तै गरेर त्यो च्यान्टलाई गाउनु पर्छ पछि है फर्स्टमा चाहिँ मैले गाएको राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुस् है त रेडी हुनुहुन्छ Okay, let's start. There is a chant. First of all, I'll sing it. Look there is a rhyme. I'll sing it first, then later you have to sing along with me. Okay, first of all, listen to me very carefully. Okay. Touch your nose, show me your teeth. Don't rub your eyes. Clap your hands with me. Move your fingers, raise your hands up. Okay, I'll sing it once more. Then listen to me very carefully. Okay, this time also you just listen to me and look at me. Okay, now look here. Touch your nose, show me your teeth. Touch your nose, show me your teeth. Don't rub your eyes. Don't rub your eyes. Clap, clap, clap your hands with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands with me. Once more, okay? Clap, clap, clap your hands with me. Move your fingers, raise your hands up. Move your fingers, raise your hands up. Did you see me? Okay. From next time, you have to do what I am doing, okay, while singing the chant. Are you ready for it? Okay, now it is your turn. Let's do together, okay? I'll do and you also follow after me to sing the rhyme. Are you ready for it? Okay, then let's start. Do what I do here. मैले जे गर्छु राइम गाउँदा चान्ट गाउँदा हजुरहरूले पनि त्यस्तै गरेर त्यो चाहिँ मैले गरे जस्तै गरी एक्सन देखाउनु होला है त ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट touch your nose show me your teeth once more touch your nose show me your teeth don't rub your eyes don't rub your eyes clap clap your hands with me clap your hands with me move your fingers raise your hands up move your fingers raise your hands up are you enjoying it yes this is the rhyme you have to sing yourselves now it is the turn of yourself try to sing the rhyme okay try to sing the rhyme by showing the action okay should I do it once more okay then let's do together okay this is the last time I'll teach you then later you have to practice it yourself okay let's do touch your nose show me your teeth touch your nose show me your teeth don't rub your eyes don't rub your eyes clap your hands with me clap your hands with me move your fingers raise up your hands move your fingers raise up your hands very good you also did it very well this is the chant we have already done it you have to practice it at your home too okay you can take help with your sisters and brothers or your parents and try to sing the chant okay I hope you have already guessed the today's topic then let's talk about something okay first of all I'll show you the action look at me I'll tell you to do the same action later you have to do the activities you have to do the action that I do here okay in the same way you have to do are you ready for it अब सुन्नुस् है त भाइ बहिनीहरुले के गर्नुपर्छ थाहा छ फर्स्टमा मैले एक्सन भन्छु त्यसपछि मैले पनि त्यो एक्सन गरेर देखाउँछु हजुरहरुले पनि त्यस्तै गर्नु होला है त मेरो एक्सन मेरो कमान्ड्सलाई चाहिँ फलो गर्नु होला है त मेरो अर्डरलाई मैले के गर्नु भन्छु त्यही गर्नुस् है जस्तै अघि टच योर नोज भन्दा हामीले नोज छोको थियौ नि हैन हो त्यस्तै गरेर मैले यहाँनेरि हजुरहरुलाई के गर्नु भन्छु हजुरहरुले गर्नुपर्छ okay let's do now today we are going to deal with unit 4 so you need some materials yes so take out your book please take out your English book please okay now take out your copy okay very good now stand up please yes don't sit down okay don't sit down keep on standing okay very good then clap your hands again Clap your hands. Very good. Very good, very good. Now, these are the ways. These are the ways to give commands to others. Okay? Then, can you tell your friends to do the same activities that I taught here just now, that I told you to do here? Like clap your hands, stand up, don't sit down. Yes? Like this. Can you do this? Okay, it is your turn. It is your turn. You come in front. Okay, you just sit, you just stand up. Very good. Then give commands to your friends. Tell your friends, do the activities. Okay? You can say, clap your hands, stand off, don't sit down. Okay, like this. Okay? Touch your nose. Very good. You did it very well. So, you knew that today we are going to learn about commands. Okay? Commands. How to give commands and how to respond the commands. It is also known as order. Okay? Commands is also known as order. We give commands in this way. Okay? For example, stand up. Stand up, please. Then sit down like this. Okay? This is the way to give commands. Are you clear about it? This is stand up, sit down, touch your nose, show me your book, take out your book, like this. Yes? So, you can tell your friends, you can give commands to your friends using these types of sentences, and you can respond the commands by listening to your friends or your teacher. Yes? Very good. You did it very well. Now, we are going to start our today's lesson. Now, look there. Look there. There is a picture. Are you looking there? Look there. This is Unit 4, commands. You can find this in your book too. Look there. Listen and say. There are some pictures. Yes. And they are doing certain actions. Yes. According to the command given by the teacher. Look here. He is a teacher. Who is he? You can see. He is a teacher. She is a student. Or you can also say he is a father. She is a daughter. Yes. And look here. He is a teacher. He is a student. Yes. Now tell me, who are they? Who are there in the picture? Very good. They are students. And who is he? He is a teacher. Then what is he doing? Can you guess? What is he doing? He is giving commands. Yes? He is giving commands to the students. He is telling something to do to the students. Okay. Very good. Now look here. This is also the picture. Here is teacher giving commands, and here is students following the commands, responding the command. Yes. Now look here. These are the pictures that show us how to give commands and how to respond the command given by others. Yes. Look there. Look this picture once more very carefully. What can you see there? What is she doing? She is opening the door and trying to go out. Yes. And what is the teacher saying here? Let's read the sentences. Okay. Let's read the commands. There are some commands. Yes. These are all commands and they are following the commands. Teacher is giving commands and the children are following the commands. Yes. Now look there very carefully. She is trying to go out, and what is the teacher saying? Look there. Open the door. Okay. Then another command. Go out. Open the door. Here. Here. This is the picture. Look here. He is saying go out. This is the student. he made some mischief, then teacher said, go out. Does the teacher say something like this? Yes. So he is giving commands and the children are following the command. Okay. Now look there. What is the boy doing here? The boy is trying to jump. Yes. The boy is trying to jump. So the teacher is giving commands not to jump. Yes. If he jumps, he falls down. Yes. So the teacher is saying, what is teacher saying? Look here. Don't jump. Don't jump. Yes. So now look here. There is a girl. She is trying to sit there on the chair, but there is a book. Look there very carefully, and we don't have to sit on our book. Yes, and the teacher is telling not to sit on the chair. Yes, and look here. What is he saying? Don't sit down. Don't sit down. He is saying yes, and she is just standing. She is not sitting there. Yes, very good. Now look there. Look at another picture. There is picture. There is a girl. She is going to eat something. Yes, and this food is not good. This food was fallen down, and the teacher said her not to eat the food. Yes, look there. What is he saying? He is saying, don't eat the food. Yes, very good. Now look there very carefully. You can also give commands to your friends in the same way, and you have to respond the commands according to the instruction, according to the action and according to the commands. Okay. Now let's go to next one. Look there very carefully. This is also similar activity, but here you have to first look at the example, then read the sentences here and fill up the sentences in the correct pictures. Okay. यहाँ हेर्नुस् है भाइ बहिनीहरुले, यहाँ हेर्नुस् त राम्रोसँग हेर्नुस् त यो पिक्चरमा, यहाँ पिक्चरहरु दिएको छ है। अघि हामीले पिक्चरमा त्यही कमान्ड्स भएको पिक्चरहरु पढेका थियौं। अहिले चाहिँ हामीलाई एउटा एक्जाम्पल दिएको छ। यहाँ कमान्ड्स दिएको छ, यहाँ पिक्चर दिएको छ, अनि यहाँ कमान्ड्स पनि लेखिदिएको छ। त अनि त्यसपछि यहाँ माथि अरु कमान्ड्सहरु पनि लेखिदिएको छ। हामीले यहाँ तल भर्नुपर्ने कमान्ड्सहरु पनि यहाँ लेखिदिएको छ। फर्स्टमा पिक्चरलाई राम्रोसँग हेर्नुस् हजुरहरुले है। पिक्चरमा हेरिसकेपछि यो हामी कमान्ड्स पढ्छौं हो। यो कमान्ड्स पढिसकेपछि यहाँ एक्जाम्पलमा हेर्छौं हामी। एक्जाम्पलमा के भइराछ अनि के कमान्ड दिनु भएको छ टिचरले हैन। त्यसपछि हामी फेरि के गर्छौं, यी कमान्ड्सहरुलाई, करेक्ट कमान्ड्सहरुलाई यहाँ तलको बक्समा भर्छौं। दुईटा बक्समा यी कमान्ड्सहरुलाई हामीले भर्नु पर्छ। कुन पिक्चरमा चाहिँ कुन कमान्ड ठिक हुन्छ त भनेर हामीले यहाँबाट छानेर भर्नु पर्छ। Are you ready for it? Okay. So let's start. First of all, look at the picture. What is happening there in the first picture? Look there. The children are trying to stand. Yes, they are standing. And here is teacher. What should the teacher say? What may the teacher say? Can you guess? Guess गर्नुस् त। यहाँ बच्चाहरु चाहिँ उठिरहनु भएको छ, टिचर क्लासमा जानु भएको छ। अनि त्यसपछि के भन्नुहुन्छ होला त टिचरले अब चिल्ड्रनलाई? के भन्नुहुन्छ? Don't stand up, sit down. Don't stand up, sit down भन्नुहुन्छ हैन? हो, यसै गरी हामीले पिक्चर्सहरुलाई हेरौं त। यहाँ के भइराछ? What can you see there? हेर्नुस् त, यहाँ के देख्नुहुन्छ हजुरहरुले? Fire है? Fire हैन त यो? हेर्नुस्, this is fire. Yes? She is going to toss the fire. Yes? And the teacher is saying something. Then look here, look at the second picture. What is happening there? The two friends, they are talking each other and the teacher is saying something to them. Now let's read the commands here. The commands are given here. Okay, let's listen, let's read it. I'll read it, then you have to listen to me very carefully, okay? Then you have to write the correct commands here. Okay, you have to choose the commands from here and fill up in the correct boxes. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's do. Look here. At first, look, say and write. Okay, you have to first look at the picture. You have already looked at the picture, yes. Then I'll say the commands, I'll read the commands, then you have to write here. Okay? Okay, look here. First, don't touch the fire. The next one, don't talk, keep quiet. Okay, there are two commands. Okay, there are two commands, then you have to fill up the commands here in the correct boxes. Okay, first command is here, don't touch the fire. In which picture should we put this command? Don't touch the fire. Here? Is here fire? Can you see the fire here? No. Then can you see the fire here? Yes. There is fire. She is going to touch the fire. So, you can say, don't touch the fire. Okay? Now, have you done it? Okay. So, check your answer. Look here. Don't touch the fire. Go away. Like this, yes? Then, there is second command. Okay? Don't talk. Keep quiet. What are they doing? They are talking and the teacher is giving command not to talk. Yes, the teacher is telling not to talk. Then what should you say here? Don't talk. Keep quiet. Yes? Have you done it? Okay. Now, check the answer. Don't talk. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Yes? Very good. So, you have to fill up the commands after looking at the pictures very carefully. You did it very well. Now, I have another activity. There is listening activity. Okay? There is listening activity. Now, listen to me very carefully. Okay? I'll read the sentences. I'll also tell the number of the sentences. I'll read the sentences after showing you pictures. Okay? Here are some pictures. Look at the pictures first. Okay? Look at the pictures very carefully. You have to fill up the commands there. The pictures are only given there. Previously, you saw the commands and you saw the picture and did the activities. Here, you have to look at the pictures very carefully first and I'll read the sentences. You have to listen to me very carefully. Then only you have to fill up the commands here, correct commands here in correct picture. Okay, later you have to also give correct number. Yes, so listen to me very carefully. भाइ बहिनीहरु एकचोटी सुन्नुस् त के गर्नुपर्छ हामीले फर्स्टमा यो पिक्चरलाई राम्रोसँग हेर्नुस् ल अनि यो पिक्चरलाई राम्रोसँग हजुरहरुले ध्यान दिएर हेरेपछि अहिले म यो कमान्ड्स चाहिँ हजुरहरुलाई देखाउँदिन मैले कमान्ड्स यहाँ सेन्टेन्सहरु पढेर सुनाउँछु यो पिक्चरमा कुन कुन कमान्ड्स लाग्छ त कुन कुन सेन्टेन्सहरु चाहिँ फिट हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा हजुरहरुले यो पिक्चरलाई हेरेर कमान्ड्सलाई सुनेर भर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है अनि भरिसकेपछि पनि फेरि यो कमान्ड्सहरु रेगुलरली आउँदैन बुझ्नु भएको छ यहाँले यो कमान्ड्स रेगुलरली आउँदैन यो फर्स्ट को 1 को 1 मै नआउन सक्छ तल माथि छ मिलाएर करेक्ट पिक्चरमा करेक्ट कमान्ड चाहिँ हजुरहरुले भर्नुपर्छ है अनि भरिसकेपछि लास्टमा गएर फेरि नम्बर दिनुपर्छ करेक्ट नम्बर मैले 1 2 गर्दै पढ्छु हजुर त्यही सुनेर चाहिँ त्यही सुनेको अनुसार 1 2 नम्बर पनि लास्टमा भर्नुपर्छ है फर्स्टमा नम्बरको चिन्ता नगर्नुस् के गर्नु पर्यो यहाँनेरि भर्नु पर्यो मैले भनेको सुनेर म पढ्छु मैले पढेको सेन्टेन्सहरुलाई चाहिँ राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिएर सुन्नु होला है त फर्स्टमा पिक्चरको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्छौं हामी लुक हियर व्हाट इज ह्यापनिङ लुक हियर the boy is taking his shoes in his hands yes and the teacher is giving book yes and the commands should be filled up here according to the picture okay and what is happening here look here the two girls are what are they doing can you see Yes, they are talking. Yes, they are talking. They are talking very loudly. And what should the teacher say, or what may the teacher say? You have to guess, and after listening to me, you have to fill up here. Okay? Now look here. Look at the next picture. Look there. The boy is, what is the boy doing? Yes, you are right. The boy is running. Yes, very good. And the teacher gives command here. And look at another picture. What is the girl doing? There is book. Yes, the book has fallen down and the girl is trying to do something and the teacher is telling something. Yes, and here what are they doing? Look there. There are two boys. They are fighting each other. Yes, and the teacher is telling something. Yes. Now हेर्नुस् त फर्स्ट पिक्चरमा के भइरहेछ? सानो बाबुले चाहिँ आफ्नो सुज हातमा लिएर हिँड्नु भएको छ. सुज हातमा लिनुहुन्छ त? हुँदैन है. सुज हातमा लिनुहुन्छ कि हुँदैन? हुँदैन है. अनि यहाँ बुक देखाइरहनु भएको छ. अब के भन्नुहुन्छ होला टिचरले? गेस गर्नुस् ल. अहिले त्यसपछि मैले भनेको सुनेर भन्नु होला हजुरहरूले है. अर्को पिक्चरमा हेर्नुस्. के भइरहेछ यहाँनेरि? दुईजना गर्ल्सहरू चाहिँ कुरा गरिरहनु भएको छ. कुरा हैन, गफ गरिरहनु भएको छ. अनि टिचरले के भन्नुहुन्छ होला त? स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूलाई गफ गरिरहेको देखेपछि टिचरले के भन्नुहुन्छ होला? कमान्ड दिनुहुन्छ यहाँनेरि. टिचरले चाहिँ यस्तो नगर भन्नुहुन्छ है. अहिले पछि हामी सुन्छौँ र भर्छौँ है. यहाँ हेर्नुस् अर्को पिक्चरमा के भइरहेछ? यो बुवा चाहिँ रनिङ बेसरी रनिङ गरिरहेछ है. बेसरी रनिङ गर्यो भने पनि हामी लड्न सक्छौँ नि हैन. अनि टिचरले के भन्नुहुन्छ होला त अब स्टुडेन्टलाई हैन? कमान्ड दिनुहुन्छ. अनि त्यसपछि यस्तो नगर भन्नुहुन्छ हैन. त्यसपछि अर्को पिक्चर हेर्नुस् त. यहाँ बुक चाहिँ भुइँमा झरिरहेछ. भुइँमा बुक झरेपछि हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ होला त? हेर्नुस् है. त्यही कुरा यहाँ टिचरले भन्नुहुन्छ. यहाँ बुकमा भुइँमा झरिरहेछ अनि यो नानीलाई चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ भनेर टिचरले सिकाउनुहुन्छ हैन. त्यही अनुसार नानीले चाहिँ काम गर्छ हैन. नाउ लुक एट लास्ट पिक्चर. व्हाट आर दे डुइङ? हेर्नुस् त लास्ट पिक्चरमा के भइरहेछ? बच्चाहरू फाइटिङ गरिरहेछन्. फाइटिङ गर्नुहुन्छ त हामीले? हुँदैन हैन. त्यही भएर टिचरले के भन्नुहुन्छ होला त? ल गेस गर्नुस्. अब पिक्चरको बारेमा हामी क्लियर भयो है. अब मलाई सुन्नुस् हजुरहरूले. म पढ्छु. मैले पढेको कुरा राम्रोसँग सुन्नु होला है. Number 1. Listen to me very carefully, okay? Number 1. Don't drop your book. Pick it up. Don't drop your book. Pick it up. Don't drop. Teacher says. Then second one. Number 2. Don't fight. Teacher says. Don't fight. Yes. Then third, number 3. Teacher says. Don't run. Teacher says. Don't run. Yes. And number 4. Don't talk. Keep quiet. Teacher says. Don't talk. Keep quiet. Yes. And number 5. Don't hold up your shoes. Hold up your book. Teacher says. Yes. Don't hold up your shoes. Hold up your book. Teacher says. Do you want to listen to me once more? Okay. Listen to me second time very carefully. Okay. Then try to fill up the pictures there. I have already shown pictures. So listen to me very carefully and try to fill up. Okay. Now look there. Don't drop your book. Pick it up. Okay. Number 2. Don't fight. Don't fight. Number 3. Don't run. Number 3. Don't run. Then number 4. Don't talk. Keep quiet. Then number 5. Don't hold up your shoes. Don't hold up your shoes. Hold up your book. Teacher says. Okay. Have you listened? Have you listened it? Can you fill up the pictures here? Can you fill up the commands here? Now look here. You have to fill up the correct commands here in the picture. Then what is this? The boy is holding books. Yes, and shoes. And teacher says, what does teacher say? Tell me. Teacher says, what does he say? Did you write? Yes, what did you write? Yes, you are right. Teacher says, don't hold up your shoes. Hold up your book. Okay. Now look at second one. What does teacher say? They are talking. I have already told you. They are talking. हेर्नुस् त कुरा गरिरहनु भएको छ. अब के भन्नुहुन्छ होला त? लेख्नु भयो हजुरले अघि सुनेर? लेख्नु भयो? भन्नुस् त के लेख्नु भयो? के भन्नु होला त? Yes, you are right. He says, don't talk. Keep quiet. Now look at next picture. Look, what is the boy doing? He's running. Yes, कुदिरहेछ नि boy. के भन्नुहुन्छ होला टिचरले? लेख्नु भएको छ अघि सुनेर? हो, के भन्नुभएको थियो? के भन्नुहुन्छ? Yes. Don't run. Yes? Very good. Look at next picture. What is she doing? The book has fallen down and the teacher tells her to pick up the book. Yes? And what does he say? Look there. Don't drop the book. Pick it up. Then look at next one. Look at next picture. Here, last picture. Yes? Look there. Two boys are fighting. Then what does teacher say? Yes, two boys are fighting. Then, yes, don't fight, the teacher says. Yes? Now you have fill up here. You have last activity to do. हजुरहरूले यो गरिसक्नु भयो है, भरिसक्नु भयो. अब एउटा लास्ट एक्टिभिटी छ. यहाँ बक्स छ नि, यो बक्समा चाहिँ नम्बर लेख्नुपर्छ. यो कुन नम्बरको हो, यो कुन नम्बरको हो र यो कुन नम्बरको, यो कुन नम्बरको पिक्चर हो भनेर यता मैले फेरि हजुरलाई एकचोटि पढेर सुनाउँछु. त्यही सुनेर चाहिँ फेरि यहाँ नम्बर दिनु होला है त. राइट नम्बर. ओके? आर यु रेडी? ओके, लेट्स डु इट. I'll read the sentences once more. Then you have to listen to me very carefully and give right number there in the right picture. Okay? Okay. Number 1, don't drop your book. Pick it up. Number 1, look there and fill up. Okay? Then number 2, don't fight. Number 3, don't talk. Keep quiet. Then number 5, don't hold up your shoes. Hold up this book. I hope you have done it. Yes? Have you done it? Okay. I hope you have already done it. Now let's check. Let's check. Don't hold up your shoes. This is number 5. Yes? Very good. Number 5. Then another. Look there. Look at the second picture. Don't talk. Keep quiet. What is this number? Number 4. Very good. Then this one. Don't run. Number 3. Then this one. Don't drop the book. Pick it up. Number 1. Then this one. Don't fight. This one. Number 2. Okay. This is the way we listen to it, listen to the commands and fill up there and give correct numbers. Yes? Yes. I hope you have learned how to give commands and how to respond it. Thank you so much for your participation. This much for today. We'll see you in next class. Have a good time and try to give commands to your friends, to your sisters, brothers, and respond it accordingly. Okay? Thank you. Have a good time. Bye-bye.